Hello, thank you for watching my video. My name is Nate, but I mainly go by Kuma Crochets. Hopefully I can share what I've learned about crocheting amigurumis to help you with your plush projects. If you enjoy free patterns or crochet content, please check out my website in the description below. My website has all my socials from Instagram, Twitter, and Discord to stay updated. I'll also be linking all the tools and materials that I use for my projects, which are also in the description, from yarn, hooks, and accessories. Let's get to it. So for this video, I'm going to teach you the differences between these two magic circles that I've created. One has invisible increases on the project, and one has the traditional increases. Putting them side by side, it is hard to see the differences, but you can tell on the invisible increases that it's a bit harder to see where the increases are, whereas on this side, which is the traditional increases, you can kind of tell where they are. Both have the same spirals, but it's more prominent within this project, whereas this one, it kind of blends in as one whole. So it's a bit hard to see. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make an invisible increase. So the traditional way of doing increases would be to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. What you're going to do for this method instead is you're going to do a single crochet in the front loops specifically, then with that front loop single crochet, you're going to work in the same stitch and grab both loops this time, and there's your increase. So I'm going to demonstrate again. So we're going to do 3 single crochets, 2, 3. Now we're going to increase. So into the front loop, grab our yarn, complete it. Then we're going to work in the same stitch. Grab our yarn, work it through,